Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Want to keep your email conversations organized in Outlook? An email thread groups all related messages together, making it much easier to follow a discussion. This grouping helps you see the entire history of a conversation at a glance. Outlook usually creates these threads automatically, but you need to know the key action. The trick to creating and maintaining an email thread is to always reply to an existing email. Do not start a brand new email if you want your message to be part of an ongoing conversation. Here is how to make sure your emails stay in a thread. First, find the original email or any message within the conversation you wish to continue. Open that specific email. Look for the Reply or Reply All button, typically found at the top of the message window. Click on it. A new message window will open, pre-populated with the previous email's content. Your new email will automatically link to the earlier messages. Type your message clearly and concisely into the body of this new email. Once you have finished writing, simply click Send. Outlook will then group your new message with all the previous ones, creating a neat, nested conversation in your inbox. Remember, if you start a completely new email, it will not be part of the existing thread. Always use a reply to keep the thread alive. You can also adjust your Outlook view settings. Ensure Show as Conversations is enabled under the View tab. This setting ensures Outlook displays all related emails neatly grouped. This simple habit keeps your inbox tidy and your discussions clear. It's a quick and effective way to manage your communications efficiently.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.